Hi viewers, today we are going to our lecture 2, topic 2 chemistry, lecture 2, topic 2, form 2 chemistry. The topic is atomic structure and periodic table. So we are going to our topic 2, lecture 2, which is the electron configuration and energy levels. So we have an atom, an example of an atom here. You know that the nucleus has protons and neutrons. Then we have the energy levels where the electron contains. So we have the first energy level after the neutrons contain a maximum of 2 electrons. So after picking the 2 electrons, then the remaining electrons will be transferred to the next energy level. Then the second energy level can contain a maximum of 8. So after getting the 8 energy levels, then the remaining electrons, after taking 8 electrons, then the remaining electrons will be taken to the next energy level. The third energy levels also needs a maximum of 8. So after taking 8, then the remaining electrons will be transferred to the next energy level. So for example, when you have an element which has 10 electrons, then first energy level will pick 2 electrons. The remaining 8 electrons will move to the next energy level. And you know that the next energy level occupies 8. So all 8 will be occupied in the second energy level. When you have an element again with the 11 electrons, then 2 electrons will be taken by the first energy level, 8 electrons taken by the second energy level, then the remaining 1 electron will move to the third energy level. But we know that the third energy level the element will not be stable, because the third energy level, it needs 8 electrons, but we now only have 1 electron. So it still needs 7 electrons for it to be stable. Now let's look at some of the first 20 elements. We are going to look at the element, symbol, atomic number, electron configuration. So we know that the electron configuration we get from the atomic number, because the number of electrons depend with we say that the number of electrons is the same as the number of neutrons, the number of protons, and is the same as the number of electrons. Because we know that for the element to be stable, for the forces of attraction to be complete, then the number of protons should be the same as the number of electrons. So when you have 10 electrons, then the protons must also be 10. The atomic number must also be 10. So hydrogen is the smallest element. It has a symbol of H. Atomic number is 1. Electron configuration will be 1, because we only have 1 electron. Then the second one is helium. Symbol is He. Atomic number is 2. So this element will be stable because it only have 2 electrons, and 2 electrons will occupy the first energy level. So it means the atom or the element is stable. The electron configuration will be 2. Helium number 3, Li. Atomic number is 3. Electron configuration is 2, because the first energy level will pick 2. The remaining one will move to the next energy level. So you will have 2, 1. Then we have beryllium. Beryllium Be. Atomic number is 4. Electron configuration will be 2, 2. So here Some people will confuse, will say because it has 2, 2, then it is stable. This one is not stable because we know that the second energy level needs 8. So this one is still less by 6. For it to be stable, it must have 8. So it is less by 6. This element is not stable. Then we have boron. Boron is 5, 2. Then the 3 will go to the second energy level. Then we have carbon. Carbon is 6, 2, 4. Then we have nitrogen. Nitrogen is 7, 2, 5. Then we have oxygen, 8. We'll have 2, 6. Then we have fluorine. Fluorine, 9. We'll have 2, 7. Then we will have the neon. Neon 10. We'll have 2, 8. Neon is very stable because 2 has occupied the first energy level, then 8 has occupied the second energy level. So it is a stable element. Then we go to sodium. Sodium is Na. It has 11. Then it has 2, 8, 1. 11, 2 will occupy the first energy level. 8 occupying the second energy level. Then the remaining 1 will go to the next energy level. Then we have magnesium. Magnesium, Mg, 12, 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, 2. Then we have silicon. Let's element here. Atomic number. Element symbol. Symbol is in between. Symbol. Then atomic number. Then electron configuration. Yes, so after sodium, we have talked about sodium, magnesium, and now we go to the aluminium. Aluminium, a symbol of Al. Atomic number is 13. 13. Electron configuration is 2, 8, 3. Then we have silicon, Si, 14, 2, 8, 4. Then we have, after silicon, we go to phosphorus. Phosphorus is number 15, 2, 8, 5. Then we have silicon, phosphorus, we have sulfur, sulfur, 2, 8, 6. Then after sulfur, we have the chlorine, then we have the argon, argon is very stable. 288, very stable. Then we have after argon, we have potassium. Potassium K, 288, 2881. Then we have lastly calcium. Two, 8, 8, 2. So we have, those are the first 20 elements in the periodic table and their electrical configuration. Our